Hey everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep, and we are back with Release Friday. Lots to share with you, so let's jump in. The first up is printable QR codes. So, what is this? If you aren't using QR codes to help you scan your assets and your parts, definitely check this out. It's so much easier to find the right part, the right asset, when you're able to pull out your phone and scan a QR code to pull up the entire asset record or find that part that is in inventory. We just made it even easier for you to create labels and create QR codes. All right, second up, our monthly performance emails. This is for all of our admin users. We'll send you a monthly performance email on the first Monday or Tuesday of every single month that gives you a quick rundown of your team's performance, your team's results. It's a really cool quick digest of what's happened over the last month. And then the third up right here is really improving our analytics. So we know that this is so important to all of our customers to better understand, what's going on, in their plant, in their facility. We've stepped up our game big time on analytics. Really excited to share that with all of you. So go in, check it out. Let us know what you think. With that, I'm going to pass it over to our product managers who will do a deep dive into each one of these, big feature releases this week. Thanks, and I'll see you next week.
Happy Friday, everyone. My name is Spencer. I'm a senior product manager here at UpKeep, and I'm excited to share a couple new updates with you this week. The first update is for our users of multiple inventory lines. If you're not familiar with multi-inventory lines, this is a feature that allows you to track, sort of a single type of part or a single part at multiple locations. So you set up sort of the part details one time, but then you can set up individual inventory lines that say, what your stock levels are, what your reorder points are at various locations where you might be holding that same part. And now we've added the ability to come to the inventory list and download barcode labels for individual inventory lines as opposed to only for those sort of top level part information. So you can come here to this inventory list, click download labels, and you can download those labels as individual labels, which are formatted for printing on an address label size roll, or as a label sheet, which is really formatted for printing on a regular kind of office printer label sheet. So here you can see when I download the individual labels, these are sort of individual PDFs, which I can then print on a printer, label printer. All right, so that's one update. And then the second update is a small change to how you manage your subscription within UpKeep. So we've actually kind of moved where you can access your subscription, add more seats, upgrade your plan to the side panel here. There's now a section you'll see called Manage Subscription. This used to be a little more hidden and difficult to find up here in your avatar menu, but we just wanted to make sure that our users could go and find this. This of course is only available to admins. They are the only type of user within UpKeep that can actually go in and make any changes to your subscription. But if you want to go and make changes to your subscription on your own, you can now do that here directly in this side navigation. All right, that's all I have to share with you guys this week. Please go ahead and give these two things a shot. Let us know what feedback you have, and we're excited to keep releasing stuff for you. All right, bye.
Hi everyone, my name is Miji and I'm the Director of Customer Success here at UpKeep. I'm excited to share that starting next month, admin users on our Business Plus and Professional plans will receive an UpKeep performance email on the first of each month. We know that as leaders and supervisors, our admins are busy, but that they also want to stay on top of their team's performance as much as possible. This email delivers a snapshot of your team's performance for the last 30 days, showcasing your work order health, preventive maintenance health, and number of requests submitted. That way, you can understand at a quick glance things like how many work orders were completed, and of those work orders, how many were done by their due date, and the ratio of your reactive and recurring work orders. All of this information comes directly from your UpKeep account and can be found under the Analytics section. Now, if you have any questions about these metrics or would like to learn more about how to improve your team's usage of UpKeep, please reach out to our technical support team or your customer success manager, and we'd be happy to talk through your needs. Otherwise, thank you so much for being an UpKeep partner, and we will see you next week.
Hey everybody, my name is Mark McKelvey and I'm a product manager here at UpKeep. Today I'm excited to introduce an update to our analytics product, which is a new dashboard to track your maintenance team's performance. As an operations or maintenance leader, maintenance team performance is likely one of your top focus areas when it comes to ensuring that your plant or facility runs smoothly around the clock. You want to understand how many work orders are getting created, who's completing those work orders, and whether or not they're completing those work orders on time. And our maintenance team performance dashboard has answers to all those questions and more. We have a summary of your work order completion rate, created versus completed over time. We have a breakout of your preventive or recurring versus reactive work order mix. We have a summary of your top technicians, who's completing the most work orders and who's completing those work orders on time versus late. We have the same type of breakout by location, so you can identify which locations are churning out the most work orders and which ones might be lagging behind. We also have a breakout of your request response time. For those of you that are leveraging our request module, this gives you an understanding of how long it takes from a request coming into the door to your technician being on site and addressing the work order. We extend that concept a little bit further with the cycle times, and this summarizes how long it takes from a work order to get created to completion. So it gives you a sense of that. And then finally, to give you an idea of what's on tap, we have a backlog summary with breakouts by priority and work order type, preventive versus reactive. So you can get an understanding of what's coming up for your next day, week, and so on. If you see something that's a little bit out of place, a data point that looks like it's a little bit anomalous, you can always drill down into a particular element on the graph, identify the work orders or items at issue, and then take action accordingly. And the best part about all of this is the dashboards come ready to go out of the box, so you can just send a link and access this particular dashboard right from your UpKeep Analytics tab within the UpKeep application. And if you want, you can also deliver these dashboards via PDF. So this exact dashboard, all the metrics that we just walked through in a nice summary PDF format, ready to go for your managers, executives, and other team members. So that's the team performance dashboard. Check it out.